Hello and welcome back to the channel. Good evening to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. So today in this video we will discuss a job openings from Bulgaria. It's a European country. I hope you all know that. So there are some urgent vacancies from Bulgaria. So if you are interested and if you have a plan to move Europe with a job, then keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, everything details, and what is the basic requirements, everything details we need to discuss before you apply. So let's start. This is a urgent requirements for a leading chain of hotels in Bulgaria. That means the job related to hotel industry. So guys, if you have previous experience or if you have the proper professionals for this industry, then apply as much as possible. So the continent is Europe. Bulgaria is country. Urgent requirements for a leading chain of hotels. Shortlisting is in progress at AMBE International Office. So as you can see here, this office is in Mumbai, and I can suggest you please visit to the office and try to contact with them and try to collect the information regarding the job openings and attend the interviews, and you can get a proper process to move Europe with a job. So let's focus what is the job openings. So first, housekeepers, cleaning and sanitizing, bed making and linen changes, bathroom maintenance, trash removal, organization, arranging furniture, decorative and items, and other belongs to in an orderly manner to maintain neat and aesthetically pleasing appearance. So, as a housekeeper, if you are interested to apply, or if you have any golf experience or any international experience, then apply as soon as possible. You can get a job in Bulgaria as a housekeeper. Then we can focus. The second position is receptionist. So for a receptionist, you should have the previous experience and you should have the excellent personality, greeting and welcoming visitors, and answering phone calls, managing front desk and administrative support, handling inquiries, cash handling, record keeping, technology management. So basically, this information are mentioned with the job function to the related job openings. So let's move and know what is the next position. Next position is bellboy, guest greeting and assistant language and luggage handling, room orientation, maintenance and housekeeping assistance, porter services, communications and luggage storage. So third position is bellboy. So to work as a bellboy, you should have the proper experience and proper skills as per mentioned right here. So next, bartender. So for a bartender, you should have a good knowledge of alcohol pairing and to make traditional and classy and drinks and mixing and service drink orders. So to work as a bartender, you should have the proper skills as per mentioned right here. And if you have the previous experience, then it will be a great opportunity to crack this job. So next, waiter. So as a waiter, you have to taking orders, knowledge of menu and special and serving food and beverage, maintenance, customer assistance, billing and payment, physical stamina to stand and work for extended periods and carry heavy. So as you can see here, all positions are related to hotel industry, and as per position, you should know what is the job openings and what is the basically job functions. So also they have mentioned right here to understand clearly what will be the actual job function once you applying for any of these positions. So next, cook. To work as a cook, you should have the previous cooking experience. Next, chef chef. To work as a chef chef, Italian, Asian, fusion, fish, barbecue, burgers, pizzas, turkeys, and baby sisters. Next, therapist and babysitter. Babysitter as a this position you should have a female candidate and therapist both can be applied. So for all trades, excellent command over English is a must. Previous experience in star is hotel must. Apply immediately with the CV and passport for shortlisting to AMBE International to the this address in Mumbai. So contact number, official email ID, everything details right here. So let me clarify that this is the official details. International, this is the certified number, and this is the address. So let me separate so that you will understand clearly. So as you can see here, this is in Mumbai. Okay, so apart from that, also they are mentioned the official email ID and official contact numbers. So guys, I hope you understand all the things. Still, I would highlight to you, this is a urgent vacancies from Bulgaria. This is a European country, and the position is housekeeper and receptionist, bellboy, bartender, waiter, cooker, sous chef. So there are many job openings. Any of these positions you want to apply, you should have the relevant experience. So if you have the relevant experience in this relevant field in a hotel, then you can apply by this official address and by this official email ID. So I would like to suggest you the better option. Please visit to the office address at here. Go and verify by yourself. If you think this all process, the entire process will be genuine, then you can proceed forward, so that you can submit your document, you can attend the interviews, you can after you crack the interview, you can go through the medical process, then you can go through the visa process, everything they will guide you. So first of all, it's clear, if you will go to office, then there will be no issues to make payment or make get the informations or process for the job. So if you are out of Mumbai, then first of all you have to apply by this official email ID. After that, you have to contact by this number. Then also, I would like to suggest you, please visit to the office after you apply. Visit to the office, verify and talk with them and ask for interview date and time, and try to attend the interviews. Once you crack the interview, they will guide you the next process. So again, I would like to tell you, this is urgent vacancies. Don't be waste. If you are interested to apply any of these positions, housekeepers or receptionist or bellboy or bartender or waiter or cooker or sous chef, any of these positions, if you want to apply or if you have a plan to move Europe, I would like to suggest you, please go through this process so that you can reach Europe with this job and you can get build a great career in the European country. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm saying. And if you have any question, you can drop a question in the comment box. I would like to tell you that I will try to give the answer for your questions. So my sincere request, please share this information to all of your friends and relatives and the candidates who have a plan to move Europe with a job. So there are this time period is very limited, so don't be late and don't be waste your time. Visit to the office and contact and send your CV to the given official email ID, and as soon as possible try to contact them, try to interact with the interviews, everything. Then you can move a European country with a best job, with a best salary. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will try to give you the input and valuable information for abroad job, so that you can fulfill your dream to move abroad with a job. So again, lots of thanks. Best of luck. Goodbye.